To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now find the chat you want to create a shortcut for, and then press and hold on it. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Add Chat Shortcut. A menu will appear from the bottom. Tap on Add. A shortcut will now be added to your home screen. To verify it, simply exit WhatsApp. This is the chat shortcut. Now, whenever you tap this icon, it will directly open that specific chat. No need to open WhatsApp and search for it. It saves time by giving you instant access to a specific chat directly from your home screen. If you want to remove the shortcut, press and hold it. Then tap Remove. From the confirmation window, tap Remove again. The chat shortcut will now be removed from your home screen. So that's how you can create WhatsApp chat shortcut on home screen.